electric salt or pepper mill.
High quality ceramic grinder. But we must replace this one. It was broken after 2 months of using, and maybe this is low quality ceramic grinder because it's working like this. It doesn't work now at all. But it works and doesn't work anytime. We must replace this one for new one, and we bought this one from Lidl.
And this one is from steel.
From steel?
Yeah.
No, it's plastic, not steel. Plastic and ceramic. Plastic, not steel. Let's unpack it like this. We have
How many batteries?
Take them. Ta-da! And instruction. What do you think? Is it better that
I think
this
yes.
one?
Can I hold it?
The grinder is like this?
It's the same.
It's the same. Yeah, like this. Exactly like this. Maybe it will be broken too.
But who knows?
Who knows? Yeah. Put it like
Can I please hold it?
I will do not so like this. Small, and this is large grinding. Do middle.
Middle.
Can I please hold it?
Yeah, you can.
Wow. This is from plastic.
This is plastic too, but it looks like metal, but it's plastic. It's plastic too.
And the button is small, but here is big.
Yeah. Let's connect. Oh, it's oh yeah, we have a bigger hole here. It's more convenient. And here we have a small hole like this. It was inconvenient
Yeah.
to add salt here.
This is bigger.
This is better, yeah. Where we must put
Batteries.
batteries. Oh, like this.
Ooh. Technology.
Interesting. We need some.
No. I don't need help.
I need help.
Okay.
Battery in.
Yeah. It's so convenient and comfortable.
Comfort.
Yeah, comfortable.
Let's put in some salt
Yeah.
from the sea.
No, it's Himalayan.
Himalayan.
Yeah. It's not sea salt.
Okay. Maybe it will be healthy.
Oh no.
It's really
We need to put this.
not so. We see you have some contacts here.
Oh.
We need to put it like this. Like here we have some pieces here.
Oh.
Like this.
And this.
And there are some contacts.
Yeah. Can I
Put
put
them like this.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
You did it, you try. Awesome, it's working. Mine too.
Yeah.
Like new one. It's new. Ta-dam!
Ba-da-bum.